So here's what food and agriculture are dealing with in 2026. The conversation has never been louder, and unfortunately, all it's done is dilute the facts. While people are spending their days fighting about raw milk online, grocery store prices are skyrocketing. Agriculture education is being taught by the same system that was never built to support families or communities. And now, with AI being the go-to for every bit of information, how do we know who to believe or what to believe? We can't even trust our own eyes anymore. We need to fix the overall system. We need to build food independence and close the gap between what's happening in big agriculture and what people can do for themselves. Basically, we need a recalibration. So how do we do better in 2026? Season 7 of the Homestead Education Podcast is cutting through the noise to rebuild agriculture on a human scale. This isn't to try to turn everyone into farmers, but to raise people who understand food, land, and responsibility. I'm Kody Hanner, agriculture educator, homeschool mom at a 6, and lifelong advocate for practical skills outside of a broken system. Each week we talk honestly about food systems, education, and what it takes to build capable people in a rapidly changing world. If you care about food security, agriculture, or simply doing things better than we've done before, follow the show and join the conversation. The Homestead Education Podcast Season 7 starts now. Be sure to subscribe to catch every episode as we dive into uncharted territory.